The first thing we did is we bought a strong piece of wood and then we cut it into this figure, which is 102 centimeters long and 50 centimeters wide.
Then we cut two pieces of wood like this. This is 63.5 centimeters long and 57.5 centimeters long, and both are 10.5 centimeters wide. Okay, so then we cut two pieces of 30 times 24.5 centimeters and a bigger piece of 30 centimeters times 35 centimeters. And after that we nailed them together with at least 4 nails on each side, and we added here a set square to make it harder.
Then we painted them black and this gold.
After that we needed an 80 centimeter strong metal tube. The metal tubes we had were longer than the ones we needed. This is why we required some help to cut them to the right size. We used 4 wheels of 15 centimeter diameter each. Then we used 2 nuts on the inside of the wheel and 1 nut on the outside to secure the wheel to the tube. Then we used 8 pipe clamps per tube to be able to secure it to the wood pieces.
For more security, we required some adult help and we decided to weld these to the tube.
Okay, so now we have all the parts to build our Coche Tec. So we're gonna show you how we put them together. So first, these two little pieces of wood go on the lower part of the base. So as you can see, we did a hole just in the middle of this piece and a hole in the black base to put this on top, like that. And then this one is gonna go on the back part. And then each one of these of the wheels will go right on top, and we're gonna nail this together. Then we used the smaller tube and other smaller nuts. We inserted the tube underneath the wood base through the hole, then inserted 2 metal washers. Then we inserted again the smaller wood piece, and then other 2 metal washers. Finally, we closed this with a smaller knot. After that, we nailed the frontal wheels to the car. The next step was to nail the seat to the car. We added some set squares to the corner of the seat to make it more resistant. So here we have our almost done Coche Tec. Our design is inspired on the Pittsburgh Penguins. This is why we decided to print the logo on our car and some other details.